And we're back. I apologize that I haven't been able to get this out to you. I've been sick, so definitely, it's tough to get this stuff when you're sick. But I wanted to talk about, what have rates done over the last week, 2 weeks. So as you can see here, we see a massive drop off with bond prices. And you may be wondering, like, why would this be happening? Because when this, like I said, when red is bad, green is good, but even in the green, it's still trending down, which means rates have gone up almost a full percent really in the last 3 weeks here. So what's been happening and a lot of the conversation that we've been seeing is the debt ceiling. And why is this important? Well, people were really speculating that if the debt ceiling deal was not reached, that inflation would skyrocket, which means mortgage rates would go up. Um, it would just raise a lot of hell. I don't think that in our history we've ever had a default due to, a missed raised debt ceiling opportunity. But we did reach a deal. I'll get into the details of a deal maybe another time. But you can see here's yesterday, deal was reached. Today, we've seen a lot of good info, and this is really going to help us moving forward. So rates have a little bit of relief today. We've seen mortgage-backed securities up 45 basis points for the day. So basically what we could see is some more growth in these bond prices over the next few days with this positive news. It wouldn't surprise me if we see more green in the next couple of days. But we do have some data coming out this week with just initial jobless claims this week and other, not massive info, but some other info. So keep an eye on this, and I'll keep you updated as we move forward on Tuesdays every week with where the interest rates are trending forward and potentially where they're at. So that ceiling deal, good for us. Hopefully we get some more good news. And another thing that we may see is we might see the Fed raise rates. Well, this will kind of determine the stance that they have on inflation. And if they're saying inflation still isn't coming down, then we may see rates continue to tick up a little bit. So I'll keep you updated. Things that you don't need to worry about at the moment. You can always ask me if you have any questions. So